Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Education Demystified. Today I am going to discuss few important definition of DBMS. Generally these definitions are very common for various exams written or viva. First one, definition of schema for DBMS. A database schema is an overall structure that represents the logical view of the entire database, or we can say database schema is the skeleton structure of all data items including their record types stored in a database. It defines how the data is organized and how the relations among them are associated. So, schema describes data elements, records and files, and record relationships. Database designers who design the schema help programmers understand the database and make it useful. So, while defining schema of a database, one should also consider possible future needs of all types of users. A database schema can be divided broadly into two categories. First one, physical database schema that defines how the data will be stored in a secondary storage. This schema pertains to the actual storage of data and its form of storage like file, indices, etc. Second one, logical database schema. This schema defines all the logical constraints that need to be applied on the data stored. It defines tables, integrity constraints, etc. Here in diagram, logical schema defines employee ID, employee name, employee address of an employee, and physical schema defines its actual storage. Now, what is subschema? A database subschema is a subset of the schema and inherits the same property that a schema has. The term subschema refers to an application programmer's view of the data items and record types. So, we can say the plan for a view is often called subschema, and the subschema is also referred to as logical view. So, subschemas are nothing but the different views that are created on the top of the main schema, each one of which is created to provide a distinct logical representation of the schema dataset. According to database schema definition, database schema is the skeleton structure of database. It is designed when the database does not exist. Once the database is operational, it is very difficult to make any changes to it, but database changes over time as information is inserted or deleted. The collection of information stored in the database at a particular moment is called an instance of the database. Basically, it contains a snapshot of the database. So, database instances tend to change with time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for further video updates.